How to slice a pill in half. Get your pill slicer, get your drug. Make sure the drug's compatible with slicing, and make sure to verify your order, your drug. Make sure it's not expired, so you gotta do your 6 rights of patient care. So pop your pill open, and then you're gonna place it in. So this one, you're gonna slice it in half. So you're not gonna put it straight in, you're gonna put it sideways. So you can get a half a pill. Each pill slicer is going to be different angles, but you always want to get half of it. And you always want to make sure it's accurate, and then make sure your order's correct on slicing the pill. And get rid of the other one. And there you have it. Boom. That's how you slice a pill. Simple. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.